Okay, we are on our way. It's our first day walking on the Camino. We're leaving Pamplona. We've been here for 2 days and now we're ready to go. So see you later. Okay, we have finally gotten out of Pamplona. Been walking for an hour, almost 4 kilometers. So Pamplona is back there. The signage here is outstanding. And we're gonna be walking up this mountain right there. Woo! Stay with me. Bye. Okay, we finally made it to Cizormenor. I've been walking for an hour and a half out of Pamplona from the cathedral. It's taken me a while to get here. This is over 6 kilometers just to Cizormenor. So, been walking about 3 hours and we got about 10 kilometers in. We still got to get up this mountain. It's real pretty out today, but it's hot. So I'm about 12 kilometers in, and just so you know, it's not all out in the sunshine with fields of yellow wraps. There's also babbling brooks and a little bit of shade and beautiful blue skies. Pretty windy up here. We've climbed quite high. We need to go up there where those windmills are. I've been walking for 4 hours already. Well, we're up here on Albergue and it's super windy, so I apologize for all the wind, but look at this and look at the view. This is well worth the walk out of Pamplona. And look at all the windmills. It's just super windy up here. And the wraps fields are so wonderful. I'm gonna go over to the other side though so you can see those. It's just so beautiful in Spain in the springtime. I've been here in the fall, but not really in the spring. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So this looks like the albergue I'm staying in tonight. Albergue Mendizabal. There's the phone number. Cute little town. We'll see. And this is my albergue room, which I find to be quite charming. The beds look nice and big and comfy. And the window opens. The washers are €3, so I'm gonna go take a shower and do my washing. I'm all checked into my albergue. I've done my laundry. Went out, had a little bit of lunch at the bar, some tapas, a croqueta, and some shrimp. And tonight we're having paella, I guess. So this is the common room, dining room. And I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow on day 2 of Walking the Camino with Joe. Camino for everyone.